It's frozen. Everything. Should be all set now. Well, almost. You need to set. Should work now. I have a little different stuff today. Okay, it should all work. Expression. Inserting exception with a function error. What happened? My overlay disappeared. Let me just get back to effect system. Okay, so I'm doing debugging here. Get handler. This punching effect. Handler. This is maybe login is actually good. Like right now I would get a lot of logs and figure out what's wrong with them using them. Is the game. 3 FPS. Oh. I don't know. Okay, dock blue window, I know. Is my video infinitely buffering? Dispatching effect exception. It does it twice for some reason. Well, maybe I have another handler somewhere. Okay, does dispatching effect handler effect exception handler error. Debug handlers. It doesn't just find it. It just doesn't find it. Okay, if I debug effects, maybe I have some spaces in it. It should, in theory. Okay, also debug. Just print. Frame effect handlers. Debug them. Move out. No. Infect handlers, no handlers found. Block expression. Feel like I already delete some more. Oh. And handlers. Internal error, nowhere to add. Effect handler. Okay, if I do if I try to insert them, I'll do for frame in Scope here, scopes, local ether, reverse, I'm showing an effect, show frame, handlers, world, will it move? Hopefully not, but it probably will. Yeah, and let's just debug it, and also I want removing a stack frame here and here. Indicate that this is not finished. Operations happening. So I should move this, not this, this a little to the left. A lot of debug. It's like every frame. Okay, here I have a thing in this frame would be. Okay, this has a first frame. Okay, should debug. Where do I? Here. I'll show length and I need on exception. Here I'll debug effect and handler. Okay, here we have this, then I remove a bunch of stack frames and then an exception. Another remove, more removes. Oh, I just don't understand my own logs. Okay, instead I'll do this. No, wait. I'll do this. Scopes, local, feature map. What am I doing? Scope it's frame effect handlers lens collect the vector no need for this. Okay, here we have an exception. Test stack frame is here. I wonder why so many frames after it. Like I'm printing right after I added. Oh wait, I reversed, so this is the last one. And I'm removing this stack frame on error. I'm removing it after all. But the function I'm calling throws an exception after. This stack frame is an exception. Oh. I wonder why. Can we model a simpler case? Add comments, whatever. Comment whole shell out. I'll make a block with a with handler, and I'll make an exception. I'll let x equals file system non-existing. And the exception should be called. Let's print x in case it's actually does something. Exception handler should be called in this case, but it doesn't. Wait, it's an error. Oh. And I'm not really calling any system functions. Yeah. This doesn't come from a system function. What error am I getting here now? Then index not found as. This is a return statement. Oh. Mm. Like return statement throws a special kind of error which is handled separately. And I'm not doing any exception handling when I do eval on function. Only place is here, like where I do perform, which is a list of built-in functions, and then if perform fails, so any system function like for, well, actually for is a good one, eval, or any library function, but there's not really a library function here. If we replace Bail, I don't really want to replace Bail. Carefully search for it. Argument type mismatch. Function argument count mismatch. Function argument count mismatching function. I don't think I should handle such things. Internal errors. Imagine handling internal errors in your code. We'll need to do same for ensure. Variable not found. Effect not found. Variable already exists. Function effect already exists. Type mismatch. Type mismatches. Mismatch, type mismatch, type mismatch, type mismatch. Type mismatch. Handler have incorrect signature. Array has mismatched types of elements. Table. You can't index type mismatch. Usage function not found. Impl assign. Can't assign to. That's the same thing. Can't assign to. String index out of bounds. This should be handled actually. So what I can do is wait, what is, oh, it's assignment. Yeah, I can do on exception. Yeah, exception kind of error kind of anyhow of this. This is a long variant of Bail. Now I'll remove this and make a Bail accept something. Macro export macro rules Bail accept. I'll copy this format. I'll copy this like a form exception. So this have a form exception, and I'm instead of throwing it, I'm calling on exception. It doesn't return anything, so I can put semicolon here. Expert. Where do I have my macro use? Here. Bail accept. I'll need to do the same thing for ensure. Accept. Okay, so reindex out of bounds is an exception. No time mismatch. You can't assign to index. Type mismatch. The file system is built on types actually, and an exception in it, exceptions in it might be a little annoying. Let's type mismatch. Okay, Bails ended. Ensure now. Okay, here count mismatch. Conditional type, handler count mismatch, fake doesn't have any handlers. Oh, that's all. I still need ensure accept or something. Ensure accept. I'll do this. They'll do accept, and I'll use macro use, and I'll check std. What do I have here? Usage. Here, bail accept. I need on. This music is a little too loud. Maybe not. Ensure bail, ensure accept, bail accept. Standard library, index out of bounds, bail accept. Usage context. This well, I have I saw an error somewhere. Okay. One exception. Okay. I'll do this, and I'll need one accept. I'll need this function. I need something like this for context errors, like try except. That reminds me of Java a little, maybe a lot. Except maybe of Python more. Yeah, I have format, I have expression. I'll make it let result else evaluate expression match result. Okay, of value will give me a result of standard result will give me value error of value of error. I will call I will call bail accept. No, I won't. I will call this exception error. Exception error. Okay, I'll replace this by simple error and make except. What happens? Exception from dollar create GCLang exception mode. Do I import? Yes, I do. Expected to mute library font library. What do you mean? Don't have library. Yeah, don't have library. Yeah, that's a problem. Okay, maybe I need another strategy. Okay, I'll remove some things here. Go to executor. I think perform library functions are actually checked. They have errors here. Create an exception. This those should be arguments to a macro. Yeah. There's no other way. Go. Scopes identifier, library identifier. I need this ensure. I don't need ensure, nor I need try. We need to go over bail expects and give it some arguments. It's not a lot. Library. What minutes now? It's a terrible amount of progress for such a long stream. Cannot borrow is mutable more than one time. Okay. I don't want to press enter here. That's not what I think should be. For some reason, scopes import. Unresumable. Enter. Okay, I'll do bail. I'll just do bail unresumable here and here too. It doesn't go and say that this is borrowed, this is later used. Index not found. Oh, it's... Why? I haven't done indexing yet. But why I haven't found indexing? Eval for access. Oh, it's because it uses contexts, which are bad here. Okay, there's 11 contexts in the whole file. 10 actually. Import doesn't count. Internal error, nowhere. It's an internal error. I need to place it. It's not implemented. Internal error. And indexing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Nowhere would be internal error. Where? Only 3 nowheres here. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Context. I need those contexts. I need this to be checked. How do we do this beautifully? If let some was value okay, let some value equals value. Okay, I'll move context out, and everything that's after should be moved inside of if. Else do bail. I can bail without format, but it's not just bail, it's bail except scopes library. And they'll make normal bail unresumable. Search for unresumable. Yeah, just okay. Now we need to do same thing again a few times. Okay. If let some value call this value else bail accept scopes library bail unresumable. Semicolon. Okay, and last one. If let some value clone else bail accept scopes library bail unresumable. Okay, should be it. I still need to make it explicit, and I still need to make user perform effects. Bail accept is not a function, of course it's not a function. Index. Index not found. Not found in table. Oh, I saw an error. Question mark operator after bail. A nice addition. Unresumable. File not found. Unresumable. Okay. Is it actually tries to resume, or is it another error? It called. That's right. Okay. Have debug messages. And I have. Okay, call handler when it's vals. I just fall back. Okay, right. It works. Let's launch Plushy for that. I need the it works Plushy. They became emojis for me. It's not all, not even close. Save zoom level. Okay. What I actually want is. Okay, I wanna leave this a little testing thing. I want user performed effects. Let's do this on exceptions. Like I'll do exception. This is the effect name. Okay. And I'll need to change parser for this. We haven't changed parser in a long time. We need a signature. Public to super effect sequence. It can be empty. This is separated sequence of tokens of identifiers, which will be separated by comma. I think this is a reasonable system syntax. Effect, second effect. How does this look in Coca? Okay, I don't remember multiple effects in Coca thing like this syntax. Oh, it uses colons, yeah. I don't have a time for that. With string. Wait, why is effect with? Maybe I should read more. Function ask. Effect value. Okay, I won't have this thing. Exception enable error. This is a function that is made by exception by this handler. It's a handler, I mean. And I'll add an original error here. Like this. Okay, I have changed the parser signature. What now? Function signature in parser. Where do I have this? Where do I use function signature? In a function block and effect handler declaration. A function block. Simply will add effect, self effect, self signature effect, and this should be here. What about effect handler? I have this somewhere hidden. Effect handler declaration. It's an effect in an effect declaration. Okay. I'm calling val on it. Effect insert. Wait. I don't mean this. I can't really specify effects in it. Like, is the function block in? Can I add this into a function block? Effect handler. Okay, FN block. FN block. Where do I use? I have a block in function declaration. You should have one in lambda, yeah, and one for effect handler. Perfect. So I need FN block. I don't need signature. Oops, signature. I'll add effects as a vector of token of identifier. I need effects is 0. Okay, now when I call a function, I have an eval for it. Macro token. Oh, it's hard. I can do string here. I'll do effect tag and just put an effect tag, and I'll do a public to super type, be an identifier. Okay, in eval, I have the scope. And I want to add the function into it. I'll probably add the function. Okay, well, the function is a function, not as a variable. I'll do 4. So I'll add args. Then I'll add effects. For effect in self effects. Well, yeah, in effects, I'll need scopes, local last mute. Copy this. Not quite. Effect is just a name. I'll need scopes f get effect. It will return me what? A result. Oh, I'm going to throw this result immediately. I'm not going to throw this result immediately. I'm going to do match. Okay. Okay. This is an effect. This error. I'm going to scopes local pop. I feel like this should be handled by Rust. They just don't know how to do this. And return an error of an error. So just throwing it back. And then we'll do effect. And then I have an effect, which is a void for some reason. Why? Get effect the result. Yes. Huh. Oh, it's a function. Of course. Need to do this. Now it's an effect declaration. Borrowed. I'll go for each handler in its handlers. If there is some, if let's handler for each handler in handler dot 0. If there is any handlers, I'm going through them. Effect handler declaration. And I'm inserting it as a function. Handler name ident owned. I need scopes get effect get handler. No. How do I do this? In function call. I'm on just an exception. Well, doing an exception is wait, an exception. I will need to call an exception. How do I do this? Where is there? Here. I can't just add a function. I guess I'll need an effect function for that, or something like this. Like, effect handlers are just fancy functions. I don't like this music. I like this music, but I've used it so much. Either wait. Okay, what do I do now? Like make function. Is that an effect? Calling an effect handler is as simple as doing an exception, but it's hard, complicated. Okay, I guess I need to add a thing to scopes, to a stack frame, effects, effect handlers, and what else? Included effect handlers, more effect handlers, and I'm doing this as a partial effect, maybe. An effect is just an effect handler and arcs. It will derive clone on it, which will become handy soon. So I'm adding include effect handlers. Scopes with effect. Okay, have effect. Effect is an effect that name ident to owned. Handler is handler name ident to owned. Arcs will be empty. I will populate them. Prefer doing empty vectors like this. Okay, music is too loud now, officially. I prefer doing empty vectors like this. Okay, now in function call, I've added all effect handlers and another layer. Yay. After function, I'm checking effect handler. For an effect handler, get effect gets included effect and result as a result of an option of effect iterate included effect handler. Get included effect handler. I don't really like this, but it's a game jam. Whatever. And I think I can just do this without even matching anything, because it's like I'm getting an effect handler which may be not there. It's not there, I'm just perceiving. included effect handler. Some handler. I call it effect handler since it's not an effect context, which is an effect, and I'm calling cloned here. So I can do on exception. Exception is effect handler. Yeah, so we should rename this to effect. Effect. Included effect. Effect. Okay. Thing is, on exception just returns value. So you can populate effect args like this. It's that simple. And if I wanna rename on exception to on effect, it's not really an exception anymore. But I can't rename exception to effect. Whatever. And this should in theory work now. On exception, on effect. Wow, it's so slow now. I hope not. Okay, due to encoding lag. Due to encoding lag. Just 44 frames. Okay, have this. So this will throw this error and it won't be caged. It won't be caught. Better name for this. On triple effect. We now have a triple effect. Okay, what's up? Expected exception found effect. It's easy fix. Now it's an exception. What happened? Can't say. That's easy fix, but how many more of such simple errors will I get? Yay. Can't move out because it's also bothersome YouTube. Wait, what? Where am I? In function eval. Okay, so I'm getting an effect, and then for each handler which I'm moving out, I need to call this. Where to create an argument variable. Wait, I need to rename this. To create an effect. Wow. My second monitor just got blank and white. So I don't see chat. but at the same time I have a cat overlay, which says that no one is sending anything. Well, I don't see commands in this overlay. Okay, my second monitor is back. Actually, it's second PC, because I don't have a second monitor which is compatible with my main PC. And for some reason... Well, not for some reason, I just don't know how to fix this. Effect declaration. Yes, handlers. Well, I can do this is a hash map of string effect. Make another hash map, so it's included effects hash map new, and I will insert stuff, and after this I will actually override it. So this is empty. I can override it. Can borrows mute, but it's not declare. Why so many stupid errors? I can just do stuff from the first try. The first try. Main has overflowed its stack. Well, I don't like this, and I don't know how to debug it. Well, that's actually how errors in my language work. That's what you get. Stack overflow. No backtrace, nothing. Like, I think I know what happens. This handler calls itself. It's a known error. Like, here I'm doing eval. I should unwind the stack to this eval. So like get handler will return not just function index use size index until stack should be important to enumerate here. Then I'm doing index, some index handlers, index. So I want to unwind stack. How far? I don't actually know. Expected option of use size found. Use size of option. This should be easy to fix. Just call it map handlers, index handlers. Take off. Oh, I'm so dumb today. I can't do anything. Diff like scopes, local, and what I'll do is split at an index, but like the first doesn't contain. So this is actually what I need. Go left. So scope unwind. I'll need to make sure to get it back, move it back. Delete it. Cell. Wonder, can I like unsplit it later? It can still be optimized really far. Like let's back, pop and elements into vector. Then we need to join them back somehow. Optimize it. Well, I hope Rust compiler will optimize it all for me. Okay, there is a drain. Saturate. Truncate. What does truncate do? Does truncate leave me something? No, it doesn't. There's a drain. Split off. Wait, split off? Split off looks to do so. Split off. This will return me an unwind. Okay. Do much. I'm not using much enough. There are some places where I should really use it. Okay, so I'm doing here. Actually, I should do just let results equals this, and then I'll scopes local. How do I push append? Yes, append. It will unwind. Why a pen can just take a vector and move it? Okay. Maybe a lot of cases actually use this. Result. Okay, I'll return the result. What I should actually do is check a result for resumption. But I care about resumption later on. It's not declared as mutable, that's why you should move it, not mutate it. Wow, what happened? Oh wait, it's right? It's like if I open, oh wait, it's not. I don't see an error. Is this because I don't see a handler? So if I print this, like I'm getting an effect and I'm filling it up. Yes. Then I'm calling on exception again with already resumeable your index not found in table. Yeah, that's right. But when it's error, it breaks. Or maybe I should. I don't have a handler and I can't really propagate an error further because it's an effect, not an error anymore. With exception, I'll print ln. It should print an error message and resumable. Yeah, so it works actually. And now I need like I will have a message about unhandled effects, but I want to have another message about an error. Or maybe I don't. Anyway, I have to run. So I think I wanna raid. And I have 2 channels. I have a decision between 2 channels. We have 2 Godots. Don't want to. Let's read Justin. Well, actually, to the left it's first, but we're counting here. Okay, now let's go here. Okay, there is one fake viewer watching me right now. So, thanks for sticking out. Bye.